welcome back to part 8 of the karate tutorial series. So in this part 8 here, I'm going to focus on the Pinan Kata, which actually have 5 of them. So Pinan Shodan, Pinan Yondan, Pinan Sandan, Yanan, and Godan. So you're gonna have 5 of those katas, but I'm gonna break it down to each part. Today's focus is on Pinan Shodan, okay? So in Pinan Shodan, we're gonna have a lot of different stances. This is called cat stance. Cat stance, you can either have this like a bent, and then the front leg, either you can be on the toe, or you can be flat. In our version, we normally do it flat, right? But if you're gonna see people who uses the toe like that, this part here, that's perfectly okay as well. My focus is on the power, the dynamics of the kata versus whether it's up on the toe or flat. Really, it doesn't have any critical purpose, but you're gonna have some people who's gonna tell you there will be, but I'm going to explain some of these as well, so then you can understand the difference between the two and for your educational purposes, okay? So here goes Pinan Shodan. I'm gonna do slow version, medium version, and then fast version so you can follow along, okay? So in Pinan Kata, from here, yoi, hands and fist out this way, ichi, which is the first motion, double hand block, okay? So in our style, we block with chest block here, and this one right at the chin level. You're gonna have other style, which is up here. We do it down to the chin level, okay? We don't do it this high. So from here, again, block, okay? Then from here, break down, punch, okay? Step up, again, block, right? Break down, punch. From here, step up, grab, pull, here, chest block, and snap, front snap kick, settle down, shuto, which is, we call knife hand, this way, with cat stance. 1, 2, 3, and we grab and spear hand into the chest, okay? From here, turn over, cat stance. 1, 45, 2, 1, 2. Okay, from here, step to the side this way here, chest block this way, and then your body's facing 45 this way, okay? I'm gonna have the angle shown this way later so you can see what's going on in the back. Front snap kick, punch, step over chest block, front snap kick, punch, from here brace, block this way, and low block, high block, low block, high block, and then back, yoi. Okay, I'm gonna do one more time, and then I'm gonna flip to the other angle so you can see what's going on in the back. I only have one camera now, so just follow along, okay? Yoi. 1, 2, 8, break, punch, grab, chest block. 1, 2, 3, grab, spear hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, block, punch, block, kick, punch, and chamber fist, low block, up, here we go, and up. Okay, so now I'm going to do from the other side, okay? So I'm gonna face yoi with my back. So I'm gonna go with a different angle so you can see what's going on when you practice from the back, okay? So from here, yoi, ichi, 1, 8, and grab. 1, 2, 3, shuto. 1, 2, 3. Here we go. Block, front snap, punch, block, front snap, punch, and chamber fist. Low block, high, low block, high, and yoi. Okay? All right, so now that you have an idea of what's going on when you're facing the back, so now I'm gonna do medium speed, and then I'm facing the camera, right? Okay? So you know this is the angle that we're gonna practice on. So from here, yoi, medium speed. Okay, so now it's the normal fast speed that we would do the kata in the dojo, okay? From here, yoi. Ice, 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 all right, so now we're gonna do the application part, okay? Here goes the application for Pinan Shodan. Again, just like in any of the other katas, like I said, Pinan Shodan is designed, it's a symmetrical kata. So you have one side and then you have the other side. I'm just gonna show one side, and and like I said, you can also implement the other way based on your left and your right, okay? So here goes the first move in Pinan Shodan. Again, like I always do with my other videos, is to put the moves into a combination, okay? So the first move is from here, yoi, and then you get this block, followed by 1, 2, okay? So how do we implement that? Come on in, Daniel. Here goes one of my favorite students. So let's say from here, in the fighting position, right? And then the opponent is gonna hook around your chin, bam, this way, yeah? He's gonna hook here. What do we do? Because he's hooking, we do this way. Now you might ask us, you might say, why can't we just do this? Now the kata says this, why? So this is from this angle, okay? Now I'm gonna go toward the angle of the camera, it's this way. But look, I'm gonna just leave my hand both like that, and I'm gonna stand facing you like this, here. Why do we have both hands up like this? It's another way of saying, look, I don't know where he's gonna punch me, right? It's similar to a boxer. When he's punching you, you just have both hands up like that, right? So same thing with this kata here. In Pinan Shodan, he's coming, he's hooked. I'm like this, because I don't even know if he's gonna hit the other hand. Right? He's gonna hook the other hand, then it's gonna be like that, okay? So it's like a guessing game, okay? But then it also serves a purpose, because let's say if he hooked, we go this way here, right? Once you block this way, see this hand's already here, then before he hits you with the other hand, you hit him with this hand right to his forehead and brush down, and then here, followed by that, just like the kata. 1, pump, 2, right? So we go hook, we go wait, zoom, like that way, okay? So from here, fighting stance, and zoom. All right, so the next part of the application, right from here, is you go to this side, right? Then we go 1, 2. Like I said, basically it's the same thing. And then the next move is what? This one, grab, kick. So I just went to the back, but in the front will be like this, right? So it goes chest block, right? So go chest block, grab, kick, right? So from here, just this hand over, grab, kick, okay? So how do we implement that in a fighting scenario? So let's say hands up here, right? So he's punching me to my chest. See how I step to the side? I step to the side, just like in the kata. I step to the side, parrying, right? I just parrying, and then from here, I want to break his elbow right here, right? So I go, bam, bam, break, right? Go, bam, bam, break, right? And then from here, bam, kick right there. Just like in the kata, I go, bam, break, right? So the kata, 1, this hand here, grab, block, kick. Once again, he's coming, I go, break, boom, okay? So, boom, boom. So now I'm doing to him very soft and lightly, but in reality, if you catch him with the right timing, this one is just parry. Once you parry, this hand goes up right away and bump right to his elbow. You're gonna break somebody's elbow by not having a strong arm, but very fast this way. I'm gonna have another video later on of a fast strike like that, okay? Okay, so it goes like this again. So he's coming, we go, boom, boom, kick, okay? We go, boom, boom, kick, okay? Okay, so the next move after this one here, grab kick, is settle down and shuto, right? Shuto means a knife hand block, right? And then you go 1, 2, and 3, okay? So basically 4 moves after this. 1, 2, 3, 4, okay? But you don't want to put in combinations that are more than 3. It really makes no sense. So the first one after this one here is shuto. How do we use that shuto? Shuto means, once again, knife hand. And usually in knife hand, you're going to see that a lot in the Pinan Kata and upward, okay? Which is more of the advanced. It's just pretty much, it's knife hand. Let's say if we punch like that, we do knife hand this way here. It's learning how to block. As he comes in, we go this way, right? Linear like that. I'm going to have another video where I'm going to talk separately between circular motion versus linear motion, okay? So this is what the first one is learning how to use that. And then next one is 1, 2, spear, all right? So how are we going to use that for the application? All right, so we just did this one here. So the next 2 is 1, 2, and then spear hand. How are we going to use that? Once again, come on in, Daniel. So let's say from here, you get into a fighting stance, okay? You got a fighting stance, and he's standing here. He's going to lunge and punch you in the face. Lunge and punch you. He's coming, lunge. See, I do a spear hand. Just like the kata, he's coming, spear hand. So now, how are we going to use the other one? As we'll block this, remember, we are blocking from the outside, okay? We're not blocking from the inside. When we block from the inside, this is going to hit you, okay? And you can say this, 1 punch, 2, but that's too ideal, right? Let's not practice something that's idealistic, right? You want that you are the person who's attacking him. When you attack him, it makes life so much easier than you blocking it, okay? Because when you're blocking, you have to react, and when you react, it's just too slow. You want to get into your opponent, okay? So if anything, you want to always block from the outside. He's coming, block the outside. So then the next one comes like this, because you're already out here. You open, see how I open for the kata? Now, bam, right to the face, see? So I go 1, bam, to the face, right, 1 to the face. Then the other one is what? The next one is spear hand. Then you push down and bam, right into his sternum, okay? So we go 1, bam, okay, one more time. Go, all right, so the next 2 part of the kata, which is very self-explanatory after you do the spear hand, is turn 1, 2, 1, 2. Pretty much what I said earlier is learning how to block and then hit to the body, okay? I mean, hit to the neck. Always aim for the neck. Come on, back in, Daniel. Every time when you do a combination, it's better to punch. Always aim for the face, okay? Face, neck, or whatever. When you hit them down here, it really doesn't hurt as much, okay? So the shuto, which is knife hand, is learning how to chop, but go for the face, okay? So these 2 over here, 1, 2, 1, 2, is pretty much that, okay? But how do we do this one here? After this one here, we go block, kick, punch. So let me go this angle here. So from here, I go turn, block. See that? Block, right? Grab, kick, punch, okay? So the kata, block, punch, okay? So once again, from here, block, grab, punch, kick, okay? So this is how it's gonna go. All right, so I'm gonna have Daniel come on back. Okay, here we go. So the kata, once again from here, step this way, block, grab, punch, kick, and then punch, right? So basically he's here, you're fighting stance, he's opening his legs, and he's punching you here, you want to go to the side. So in Pinan Kata, it's emphasizing the cat stance, and we call this the kosedachi stance, right? So you see it, he's moving, see how I move so quick? I don't do like this. So in karate, we don't do these, right? MMA, because it's very fast paced and they get into the fighting and the intensity. So they really don't focus on the stance, right? But we karate people, we focus more on the stance. So the more you know, the better you you can implement your body to a certain situation, okay? So in this scenario here, he's coming, he punches, I move to the side. Once I move to the side, I'm blocking him here, then I already got him here, I grab and then I kick. Okay, grab, kick through, and then bam, right underneath his armpit. So it goes, right, shoot, zoom. Okay, once again, zoom. All right. Okay, so in the kata, so you have one punch, and then you have the left side, grab, punch. Okay, so same thing, whatever you do in the right, you do in the left, and then from here, the next one is this, right? Next one is this move. So what is exactly this move? Right? What's exactly this move? What you're gonna have some teacher who's gonna tell you this is a chamber arm in order for you to when you do a block here. Come on, Daniel. So when you do a block like that, you can chamber your arm in order to hold more, to provide leverage in order to be strong in the arm. Probably that's not the best way to explain, and I particularly don't like that either, right? So for me, this move here is pretty much more of he's punching. If I can catch him with the punch, I block and then I do this way, right? So it's more like boom, right? So this is where karate and kung fu, which is Wing Chun, cross path, right? So in Wing Chun they do a lot of this, right? What they call this is the open hand block, which is called tan sao, and then there's a punch, right? They do this or they do this, right? So same thing with this kata. So as he's here, if I can come and get him right here, right? So I go, right? So he's punching and right here. Okay? So that's the this one. All right, so we are approaching the end of the kata now. So from here this way is we turn low block and then high block, low block, high block. So I'm gonna do this angle here, low block, high block. Okay, what is low block, high block? Okay, come on in, Daniel. So here goes the thing, and you're gonna have a lot of people who's debating that when you are doing a block, basically block is a strike. So let's take that kind of philosophy and put it into this context. And it is true that here block is a strike, okay? So when do we use here block as a strike? So let's say from here, if he's hooking me this way, he hooked me like that, right? I'm gonna block him this way, right? He's hooking this way and I'm gonna block this way, right? As I block this way here, I am going to hit to his face. So the kata goes 1, 2, right? So I'm gonna go this way. He hook, bum, bum. See how I strike? I'm gonna strike him fast, but I'm also moving to the side before that hand catches me. See that? Because he can do this. He go hook, hook, right? He can go hook, hook, and hook, right? Oh, hit me right there. So we can go, hey, hook, hook. You see that? Before he hooked, we go, hey, bah, strike. You see that? So this here, come. This here goes up this way. And you're gonna break his jawbone before this gonna hit you, right? You see that? If I put this way here, for him to reach me is also difficult, all right? So we go this way here, we go, right? So that's where the high block in this purpose is actually an attack. All right, so if you like what you just see, please click like, subscribe, share it with all your friends, and I'll see you in the next video where we're gonna practice on Pinan Yondan. In the meantime, watch this video here and get yourself prepared for the next one.